Welcome back to Auto Reviews, your trusted channel for everything on wheels. Today we're diving into a machine that's quickly gaining fame in the mid-range motorcycle market, the Dust Viper 650. This bike is a bold, aggressive street fighter that blends performance, design, and practicality into one powerful package. With its striking yellow color, sharp lines, and muscular build, the Dust Viper 650 is built to impress at first glance and delivers even more once you twist the throttle. Manufactured by Viper Motors, an emerging global brand known for innovation and performance, the Dust Viper 650 was developed to meet the demands of modern riders who want a balance between power and fuel efficiency without sacrificing style. The model was first introduced a few years ago and has since made waves in several markets, especially in Asia where riders are looking for something sporty, reliable, and budget-friendly. This bike is most widely used and sold in countries like India, Indonesia, and Thailand, where it's appreciated for its practicality in city traffic as well as its long-distance riding capabilities. It's also starting to grow in popularity in European markets thanks to its modern features and affordable pricing. Powered by a liquid-cooled 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the Dust Viper 650 puts out 72 horsepower and 65 Newton-meters of torque. This gives the rider plenty of punch for quick overtakes, smooth highway cruising, and spirited weekend rides. It features a 6-speed gearbox that shifts smoothly and a lightweight chassis that offers excellent handling, whether you're riding through city streets or sweeping mountain roads. Fuel efficiency is another strong point. The Dust Viper 650 averages around 24 kilometers per liter, which is impressive for a bike with this level of performance. It's ideal for daily commuters who want a thrill without constantly refueling, as well as for long-distance riders who want to cover ground without worry. The Dust Viper 650 is also packed with modern capabilities and key features. It comes with a full-color TFT digital display that's easy to read in any lighting, front and rear ABS for safe braking, LED lighting throughout, and adjustable suspension for a customizable ride. You also get smartphone connectivity via Bluetooth, allowing you to monitor ride stats and notifications directly on the display. In Thailand, the Dust Viper 650 is priced starting around 230,000 baht, making it a highly competitive option in the mid-range segment. Its biggest selling point is the balance it strikes between performance, design, and technology. You get the feel of a premium sport bike without the premium price tag, which is exactly why it's become a favorite among younger riders and enthusiasts alike. If you're in the market for a motorcycle that offers bold design, exciting performance, and solid reliability without breaking the bank, the Dust Viper 650 is definitely worth a closer look. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Reviews for more in-depth bike and car reviews. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.